Alright guys, for this vlog, I'm not sure I'm going to use this part or not, but I'm going to use the S21 Ultra. Finally went to Android 13, and of course, the Insta360 Go 2. Let's start the vlog. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Markel here, back with another video. So this is a trip that we took recently going through Las Palmas is what you're looking at right now, and I used the S21 Ultra to take all the photos and the videos except for the ones that are going to be at the end that came from the Insta360 Go 2. So we were taking a trip going to Las Palmas, through Las Palmas, going to La Ceja, to the waterfall. I had mentioned that before in another video. And we're driving through Las Palmas. And if you guys have never been through Las Palmas, there's a ton of hills. There's some nice views as well, but there are a ton of hills going this way as we drive down to go close to El Retiro as well as La Ceja. Okay, so as we're driving through, we make our way to the waterfall and we get to the location, and guess what? It's closed. So it is closed on Mondays, which I was not aware of. None of us were aware of that, but now we know. So it's closed on Mondays. So we left there, drove out, thought about it for a little bit, and then decided to go to El Retiro. So we drive to El Retiro. They were doing some construction the last couple of times we were there, to the park, which it is all together now. As you can see right here, the park has been revamped. And we get out, we walk around a little bit. We go to what they call a mall. And basically you just go up these stairs and there's a couple of small stores in there. One little electronic store and then a coffee shop that's right there. That was all the mall was. We go back down, they decide they want to have lunch. So we go to one of these little restaurants right here. And this is the meal that we all had, right? Now they did actually have Tabasco sauce. That's a new one. Usually they have that Texas barbecue. I forgot what it's called, but it's not Tabasco sauce. So they actually really did have Tabasco sauce. You don't see that very often in many restaurants here. But anyway, we got done with our meal. We walked around a little bit, and that was pretty much it, man. Everything else was just in the car, looking at different scenes and taking photos and video with the S21 Ultra, which is still a great device in 2023, on sale. You can actually catch it under $500 on eBay. On Amazon, I don't know, because I will get a price for here in Colombia. But if you're on eBay looking for an S21 Ultra that is used, oh yeah, you can find it for a great deal. And that phone is not much different than the S22, nor the S23 that's coming out. Real talk. You're not gonna miss that much. But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. I'm gonna show some more clips here at the end. But until the next time, guys, that's it. I'm out. Peace.